Hi, I'm Mohammed Ali and I'm from the YouTube channel Mohammed Ali Travel. I'm super glad that you clicked this video to hear about my ambitious plan. The ambitious plan is to create a new YouTube channel from scratch, to grow it organically within 30 days and to hit the major milestone of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I know it sounds crazy, as you may be already a small YouTuber and you're feeling the difficulty to get new views for your YouTube channel with every new upload that you make. But I have been on YouTube for quite some time. It's my 4th year, if I'm correct, and I have gained a lot of experience. I have tried a lot to see what works and what does not. And I would really love to share my experience to you, because I feel that it could be beneficial for your own YouTube channel in the future. Before we go into the details of my ambitious plan, a few words as a reminder. All the information that I'm going to present is for entertainment purpose only. So please don't take me very seriously, but do follow me and enjoy the content. So what's my plan? First of all, I think it's crucial to understand what are the criteria that you need to meet in order to achieve this highly ambitious challenge. Because to gain 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 30 days could be quite difficult. Luckily, I didn't say that I want to achieve this within a day or within 7 days or within 2 weeks. I mentioned a number where I think I can make it. And I want to prove it, that it is in theory possible. First of all, what is important to understand is how the YouTube algorithm works. And I believe that I understood superficially how it could work and how I could benefit by making content that is supported and favored by the YouTube algorithm. And I would like to give a simple visual example so you understand the idea. If you create a content in a specific niche, let's say how to fix a leak in a tire, then you will realize once you created that great content and uploaded, you do not really gain more views immediately, and it would take a lot of effort to market this video in order to find audience for your video. So why is that? The reason is that there are many videos already out there for years and which address the problem and present the solution. And if you come as a newcomer, the algorithm, there's no reason first to think why the algorithm should take your video as a preference and display on the highest rank. So in order to beat the way how it is designed and to find a higher ranking, you need to identify the current trend. Let's say a famous actor died, or a famous actor married, or a hurricane started to happen in city XY, or a war broke out between two countries. Something that I would call as a breaking news. And if you identify a trend and you are the first one to create a content about this topic, the likelihood that you would gain immediately views without putting a lot of efforts in marketing is very high. Just imagine for a moment that there are 3 videos out right now on this breaking news The breaking news could be, for example, the sudden death of a famous actor, and one of the video is yours, and you feel really lucky because you have created content on this topic at the right time where the search is trending. Now you really want to benefit from this volume of traffic that they watch your video to drive the watch hours high and hopefully get new subscribers for your YouTube channel. And one of the things that you can tune is the thumbnail, the title and the short description, which are visible to your target audience. And I have created a separate video about the thumbnail itself, how you may consider to design it to make them attractive but simple, and also convey the message that whatever the user was looking for, he will find in this video. Because at the end, the user typed about, let's say, the sudden death of this famous actor. He used some keywords, and the keyword matches with the title of your YouTube video and are contained in the description that you used for the YouTube video. And when you look at this thumbnail of this YouTube video, he has the impression that this is the video what has the information that I was looking for. So you can see how important thumbnails are. They're a great entry point for new audience to watch your content, but that alone is not sufficient to keep the audience watching your YouTube video to the end, and most important, to subscribe to YouTube channel. So depending on your content, the topic and other criteria, you need to find a way how you can gain the focus of your content in the long run. So once the audience clicked on your YouTube video, you would like him to watch him to the end. And there you see how important it is that your content is structured, how you can find the climax in your video, and how you can keep him satisfied that he at the end says that was a great video and he would love to see more, and he decides to subscribe. So in the upcoming video I'm going to talk about that, how you can consider to structure your video in a way that meets the demand of your audience. And that is not easy, but something achievable, which would help me to achieve my target of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch hours. So I really hope and that you really liked this first type of video about YouTube success, and I really hope you will watch my next series in the upcoming weeks. If you have any questions, please feel free to type your question in the comment section below. If you liked it, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you the next time.
Every week on YouTube, follow my dream and be part of my life on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest update.